let's give it some space. Let's go padding 5 pixels and a border radius of 5 pixels as well. Now let's take a look. And you can't see anything because there's no border at the moment. But if you click on it, you can kind of see. And what I'm going to add here is just a... Let's start the comment form and let's make that a background color of things. So let's go down here. And let's right click. And we want to start this whole comment form. And give it a background color. So the class is comment respond. Yep, so let's start the comment respond. So let's go here, comment respond, and we'll go margin top 30 pixels because we want this to be a bit separated right there. And a padding of 20 pixels, space around, and a border radius. And like what we wanted to do, a background color. 17232 and a color of white. Cool. So now let's take a look. It should look a lot better. There we go. Yeah. Just add some padding. Sorry, not padding, margin. Sorry, margin bottom. So we have some space in between here. Yep. And what else? Let's style this button right here. Let's right click. It's inside form submit with a class of submit. Just go this and wait a sec. ID submit, yep. So here I'm just gonna have a background color. I can't have the background color as the body background because this is already the background. So I'm just gonna have the background of white, a color of the dark blue that we always have, a padding of 10 pixels, a border radius of 10 pixels. We don't want any borders. No borders. And what else? Font family of Open Sans. Sorry if I'm going a bit fast. We want a button. We can have the button as like the cursor as like a hand. So to do that, we're gonna use a cursor, and I'm gonna call it pointer. And just like our other buttons, we're gonna have the opacity as 0.9 and a transition element. So then we can copy this, and we can go hover, and go opacity 1 with the transition. So let's take a look at the button. There we go, looks good. And now there's a bit of we want some padding right there. And let's just style the inner content. Inner content. Let's just go padding 20 pixels top and bottom. So for all pages, there's going to be a little bit of padding. That's a good thing. There we go. Cool. So our comment system looks pretty decent at the moment. Now there is one thing that we have to fix up. Now if we go reply here, it's just gonna stay there. Like we want this to move up. There's one thing that we can add. So let's go into our functions.php. Let's go to the very top. And let's add an option. So let's go if, okay, if get option thread comment. This is saying if WordPress has the option to thread comments, Okay. Then we want to WP NQ script comment reply. Now let's take a look at what that does. Refresh. My bad. Let me see what I did. Let's take a look now. Oh, there we go. So at the moment it's disconnected, but when I click reply, did you see that? It just moves all the way up down here. So you go here, whoa, here, 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 here. So it looks really nice. And if we click cancel reply, it just all goes all the way back down. Cool. So also previously we also added a awaiting moderation. Let's see if this works. So let's go into our website. Let's go into our WP admin, login, and all I'm going to do is going to go to discussion, and I want comment must be manually approved. Let's go save changes, visit our website. Let's go post 4. And now if I go here, oh wait, let's log out once again. If I just go here, this is a test. Will it be approved? Submit comment. Wait for it to load. And now it says here your comment is awaiting moderation. So there's a bit of a bug right there. Let's solve that as well. Let's go into our styles, right there, and let's go to the bottom. And in the class of awaiting moderation, if we look in the functions, awaiting moderation, we're gonna have a padding top of 20 pixels. Let's make it italic, and a color of a grayish, medium gray color. Now let's take a look. Yeah, so it works fine right now. Cool. So let's log back in. Admin. And what I'm going to do is if we go post 4, I can easily delete. I can unapprove, I can approve. So I can just go approve comment. And now if we view post, that thing will disappear. And having a native WordPress comment system, I can easily delete, add comments, so which is a really nice thing. And yeah. Cool, so let's add one more comment here. Now there are a few more things we can start. We can start with this. So if we inspect element, it's in a class of ID of cancel comment reply link, and we can easily just paste that class in, and let's just go white. Oops. There we go. Reply, and yep, it's white. Let's give it a like so. So it's a bit separated, like so. That looks good. I think if there's any more that I can do. I mean, at the moment I'm pretty happy with this, so you should be as well. So cancel reply, and it goes down. I think that's good enough. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this pretty long, I think it's 2 videos about WordPress comments. And I'll see you in the next one. So, see you guys.